Hey, what's up? It's Bonita and I'm back again with another tutorial. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about top rock and we're going to jump into a step called the Indian. So I'll show you some variations and we'll get funky with it. So let's go. All right, with the Indian step, it's broken down into 4 steps. And if you can learn this to the right, you'll learn it to the left. It goes together, but you can also separate it. So we're going to start. You're gonna kick your foot, so you're gonna go kick, then you're gonna switch feet, switch. The foot that's up, you're gonna jump over your supporting legs, you're gonna jump all the way over, cross, and then you're gonna bend the supporting foot that I'm on, I'm gonna just switch, feet. Then I'm gonna come back to the front, kick, switch, jump over the supporting leg, cross, switch feet, boom. Yeah, then I'm gonna come back to the front. Kick, there we go. So 4 steps, 1, 2, jump over, 3, switch feet, 4, back, 1, 2, jump over, 3, come back, 4, good. Now, this is what you see a lot of times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But there are actually 4 steps, so make sure not to get it confused. There's that little back step, that switch step that you have to have in there. We're gonna take it a little bit faster, all right? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, goes, kick, switch, jump over, jump back, kick, switch, jump over, jump back, kick, switch, jump over, jump back, kick, switch, jump over, jump back. Good. When you're doing it, you can also separate the sides. So if I just wanted to go to one side only and not go to both sides, this is a variation for that. So you can cross over just to one side and it would look like kick and cross and back, cross, back, cross, back, cross. So we've added in a little back step there to the other side. Kick and cross, back, cross, back, cross, back, cross. All right, so you can play with that, crossing over one way. You can go to the left, you can go back and forth, however you would like. All right, so with the Indian, there's that 4th step that you can kind of finesse a little bit differently, so I'm just gonna show you. So when you're going kick, switch, crossover, you can also kind of swing this foot out before you kick again. So kick, cross over, kick out, swing, kick, switch, cross over, out, kick, switch, cross over, out, kick. So you don't have to do that. The main thing is to understand the 4 steps. So the kick, switch, cross over, switch your foot, kick, switch, cross over, switch your foot, kick, switch, cross over, switch your foot, kick, switch, cross over, switch your foot. That's gonna be your basic Indian. And then from there, like I said, you can add and kind of switch and finesse it your own way. You can stay to that one way like we talked about and just cross over continuously onto that foot or onto that side, bring it back. Yep, then flip it to the other side. So all those kind of fun variations that happen with freestyle. Okay, so another little pointer with the Indian step. Make sure that your hips move. So you don't want to keep your hips facing forward the whole time. You want to rotate your hips. So you started off 1, 2, hips rotate, boom. Then they come back, boom, to the front. Rotate your hips. Front, rotate, and front. Rotate, and front. Rotate, and, yeah? So really make sure that you're using those hips. Don't just keep them, forward like this or whatever, however that looks. So yeah, that's the Indian step, crossover variations to one way, right and left. Have fun with it, get inspired by that music, and catch you soon. Subscribe, like, comment below, let me know what else you want me to teach, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.